what I just did was I went through the whole Rich Dad Poor Dad, took photos of all the pages where I underlined different quotes, and what I'm going to do is with those I'm going to give it to all my YouTube viewers, the best quotes within the book, as well as I'm going to use those photos and notes to go ahead and create a bunch of PowerPoints with all the different important sort of concepts I learned from the book. Now, one, I'll be able to reaffirm all those really important key points within the book, and two, I'll be able to make amazing content for you guys, giving you guys value and just sort of extracting all the golden nuggets and just giving it to you guys on a silver platter. So that's why I do that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably spend the next 2 hours putting together those slides. But we got the associates, the interns, they're here, and let's see what they're doing right now. One is helping me hire someone for ClickFunnels, and Steven is helping me find affordable weights. So yeah, so it's lunchtime right now, and the associates, they are currently, we're making some honey carrot. They're learning how to cook, and I finally got my 4th NAS drive, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that up. All right, so right now this is the NAS we just got 4 8 terabyte drives. Each one was, I think, it was like $400 each. So that was like $1,200 just in hard drives. And we're gonna put in 4 into here. So let me turn it off.
Oh,
Now it's off.
nice.
This is one of the older ones.
Yeah, now we're just unboxing the new ones.
Yeah. So let me get scissors.
Yeah.
With your fingers, you don't want to
Oh yeah.
go put on the disc itself.
So what's that for?
So that's like my own iCloud. Like a local cloud.
Yeah. So now we're just adding in
8 terabyte iWolf Pro. This is $400 a piece, a pop. $450 I think. Yeah, $450 each. Okay, you really want to be careful with the back. You don't want your fingers on the back. That's sort of what's like thingy.
Is the rest just the NAS or everything as well?
Huh?
The rest.
So I got 4 of these.
Oh, okay.
4 of these.
Nice.
So what's 4 times 8, Stephen?
4 times 8 is 32.
32 gigabytes. Terabytes.
Terabytes.
Yeah.
That's massive.
So it's going to be good for all the content, because these vlogs take up a lot of content. Wow, this looks like a beast. 8 terabyte iWolf. Is this Pro?
Is it?
Yep, iWolf Pro, so it's more of an expensive version, but this feels heavy. It's silver, like this is a beast. We just have all 4 8 terabyte, 32 gigabytes in this machine. This costed like nearly $2.5 grand, pretty pricey. But it's not working at the moment, so I need to set it up. So I'm gonna go back to my spot, and then hopefully I could fix it. Launching some ads, doing some financing for one of our e-commerce brands, and then yep, we're doing the financing. At the same time, I'm setting up the NAS. Fingers crossed it works. So I got those 4 drives that you saw me set up a while ago, and we're going to use all 4 disks, and we can do a RAID 6 setup where the first 2 is going to be redundancy, where there will be what rebuilds a whole drive, and I'll have a remaining 6 slots for just storage. So yeah, that's it. So what I was saying, guys, is in probably like around when the job assistant ends in like probably September or the end of year, I'm predicting that beginning of 2021 a lot of things are going to crash, like the stock market's probably going to crash and everything, ETFs and everything's just going to get very, very cheap. So what's going to happen is I'll show you guys a way to like invest and make like consistent, probably like 9% per year. So like that's like pretty decent. But the strategy is, a lot of people, they do this thing called cost dollar averaging. Have you heard of that? So cost dollar averaging is putting in, say, $1,000 into an ETF every single month. Now, what an ETF is an ETF is a combination of the top 200 companies. So over a period of time, the top 200 companies, they're always just going to get better and better. And they sort of grow at a rate of, say, 6 to 8% per year over a 30-year period. So ETFs are super safe. Now, what cost dollar averaging does is when you're putting $1,000 in every single week, with $1,000, if the stock prices are up and they're expensive, you can buy less stock because you have the same amount but the stock is more expensive. But when the stock is cheap and the prices are low, with the same $1,000 you can buy more stocks. So that's sort of how cost dollar averaging works, and by doing that you'll probably make better returns. Warren Buffett said this. Cost dollar averaging ETFs, you'll probably out earn 95% of hedge funds. So the strategy I've come up with is you want to follow like 3 to 5 solid ETFs. And with those 3 to 5, every 2 weeks or every month when you put in $1,000, you want to put in $1,000 into the ETF that is going through a dip. So that means cost dollar averaging allows you to average out these sort of downs and ups. Well, I'm doing a cost dollar averaging strategy. We're just buying at every single down. So like over a period of time, rather than doing say 7% returns, you could probably get like 9 to 10% returns using this strategy. Now on top of that, we could probably increase the returns even more to like 11-12% per year if we start at the start of a financial crisis. So right now we're in a depression. Right now things feel good because the government's just giving everyone money, but the moment the government stops giving everyone money, there's going to be a crash. And if we start cost on average at the lowest point in say the last 10 years, then our odds are even better. So yeah, but don't worry, when I start doing it, I'll just like tell you guys what to do. But yeah, that's the plan. Any questions?
Not really. We'll just wait till we see the plan, and then we'll ask.
So right now we're going to go on a little excursion with the team. We're going to drive to Botany Bay, which is like near the city. It's like on the edge of Australia. It's on the coast, and we're going to pick up a cable organizer for my standing table. So I'm going to install that as well. That'll be fun. I got some hand drills. We can sort of install that. Hopefully we can figure it out. I think we should. Hopefully, yeah, we should be able to figure it out, and hopefully we don't damage the table.
Yep.
And we might also go wash the car as well. And then the only thing I have is a team meeting at 5. Also, I have a meeting with my accountant at 3. So I'll probably be on a call with the accountant while I'm driving there. But it's going to be an awkward one because I recently transitioned. So this is a call with my old accountant. So I think he's going to try to convince me to stay or something. We'll see. But yeah, busy afternoon. But yeah, that's the update, guys. Alright, so we just picked it up. Here it is, and we're gonna go ahead and go back and install it. So I guess that's what we do. We're gonna go get a car wash, but it's raining, so we're not.
Free car wash. Yeah.
Exactly. We'll be putting it under here to organize all the cables. So I'm thinking something like this. Yeah, this will be super good.
Yes.
Yeah, this will be awesome.
Right.
Okay, let's turn up the power of things to us. Oh, look how clean this is. That cord, the black one, that one will eventually, once I get smart light bulbs, that's gonna be gone. But look, everything is just hidden here. Damn, this is fresh. Pretty good, pretty good. Check out the new setup. Oh, there's one cord. I need to put that cord up. But yeah, 2.2 meter table, lots of space. The cords are so nicely organized. Yeah, hold this.
Yep.
I'm gonna quickly put this cord.
Oh.
Hold the Tony, hold on to the key, the ring charger. Yeah. I might be pulling it. And then the camera.
I think that's.
Hold on to the camera. Clean. Love this. I have to get some lights, LED lights at the back and have a glow. But yeah, that's the setup. Great day, very productive day. Really glad you guys helped. How's your day, guys?
That was pretty good, yeah.
Nice. You guys did a lot. You guys launched the LinkedIn ads, did some research about different things. Yeah, productive day. We went on a trip, had a call with my accountant. Yeah, overall, very good day. And now I have to jump on a call with my sales team. Alright, got this package. I sort of know what it is. Yeah, let's open it up. Hopefully it's snow gear for the snow trip this season. Gonna go up to the snow twice. Given that I could lock in some tickets. Had dinner, chilled. Okay. So I got some snow gloves. These are nice. These are high quality. Damn. Very excited about the snow season. Nice and warm. I'll give you a picture. Nice. They're like double insulated. Awesome. Next, snow pants. Last time I went, my pants got soaked. Wow, these are hella high quality. These are like legit snow pants. Damn. Yeah, I'll wear them right now. Huh. These are hella legit. Wow. Double insulated. Oh, these are cool. Yeah, look at me. These are cool. And guess what? Got some cool goggles. Oh, what? Shit. Look at these cool goggles. No, it broke. The goggles legit snapped. What the hell? That sucks, because I really wanted to wear these. I'll just put them on anyways. These are dope. But they freaking snapped. Huh. Dude, I'm ready for the snow, but what the f snapped? I have to get a refund for this. So you would think that like people who are like loaded, they just like buy everything brand new, or like if things are broken, they just like don't care about it and just buy a brand new version. But you're wrong. Most people get to where they are by being very cautious and like saving every single dollar. So right now I'm trying to fix this, plus I'm gonna get a refund on this, and plus I know that Dragon is like these probably brand new are like 150, and I got it for like I think 12 bucks. And if it's snapped, then I most likely can get a full refund on it, and I could probably get this for free and just use it fixed, sort of like look like right now. I don't know if this will work. I'm scared it's just gonna snap. Oh, it snapped on the top as well. Damn, this is like damaged everywhere. It's lost its connection to the helmet. Damn. Oh wow, yeah, it snapped. Damn, it snapped here as well on top. Okay, let me try fix the top part. Super glue is amazing. Just had an amazing talk with the student success team. I got like 3 members that have nearly done 6 figures each, and we're going to go ahead and create this success program where all these successful students and me combined, we're going to do a mastermind call every single day. So we can literally go ahead and spend, pick a time every single day, 7 days a week at different times, to go ahead and just help all the students in the program. So that's how we're going to scale this out and be able to help more students. So that's what we're working on. And right now I'm going to go ahead and just reply to all the student messages, clear that out before I go to sleep with detailed responses to every single student. Finished at 10 p.m. I wanted to finish early, but I don't know. It's hard for me to end. I need a better end routine. I need to work on that. But yeah, I'm going to have a warm shower and just knock out. Long day. Still need to catch up on sleep, but things are getting back together. A lot of the tough talks and all the tough things are finally finishing. Now I'm just gonna wait for the repercussions that come. There's nothing I can control. I already did my best. And yeah, I think the only repercussion is transitioning to the new accountant. I'm worried that my old accountant is gonna charge me a lot for the 2019 tax return, which for some reason hasn't been done. It's hella late, but hopefully I don't get charged a lot. If I do, I'm gonna really question it because I provided them a lot of in-detailed sort of profit loss summaries so they didn't have to work as much. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, other than that, things are going well, and if that happens, I will deal with that issue, and I need to focus on really bringing myself to the present, focusing on the present moment and not letting my mind wander to things I can't control. That's an issue I'm facing with. And when you're burnt out, your mind wanders a lot. So yeah, time to go back to sleep, and I need to try to get to bed earlier, but I'll fix that issue. Peace. Good night, guys.